Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we explore another fascinating word in the English language. Today's word is escape. So, what exactly does escape mean? Well, escape, as a noun, refers to the act of getting away from a place, person, or situation, especially when it's difficult or dangerous to do so. It's the act of freeing oneself from something that holds you captive or restricts you. You might think of a prisoner planning their escape from jail, or someone looking for an escape from the stresses of everyday life. Now, let's delve into some synonyms for escape. Think of words that carry a similar meaning, words that describe the act of breaking free. One synonym is evasion. For example, the criminal's evasion of the police lasted for 3 days. Another synonym is breakout. There was a mass breakout from the prison last night. A further synonym we could use is flight. Her flight from the country was well planned. We can also use the word departure as a synonym in certain contexts, although it's a little less dramatic than the others. His sudden departure from the company raised many questions. One more synonym is liberation. The country celebrated its liberation from foreign rule. Now, let's consider the opposite of escape antonyms, words that represent staying put, being captured, or being confined. One antonym is capture. For example, the capture of the fugitive brought relief to the community. Another antonym is imprisonment. His imprisonment lasted for 10 years. We could also use the word confinement. The bird suffered greatly from its confinement in the small cage. Another fitting antonym is detention. The student received a detention for being late to class. We could also use apprehension, which refers to the act of catching someone. The police were praised for the apprehension of the suspect. Now, let's think about how we use the word escape in everyday life. We often talk about needing an escape from work, maybe planning a vacation, or even just a relaxing evening at home. I need an escape from all this paperwork. Or maybe we talk about an escape room, a popular form of entertainment where people work together to solve puzzles and escape from a locked room. Let's go to an escape room this weekend for some fun. We might also use the word escape figuratively to describe avoiding something unpleasant. She made a narrow escape from being caught in the rain. Think about movies or books you've enjoyed that feature thrilling escapes. The movie was all about the hero's daring escape from the enemy base. Here are some further examples of escape in sentences and phrases. He planned his escape for months, carefully considering every detail. The prisoner's escape was foiled by the vigilant guards. She dreamt of an escape to a tropical island. The cat made a swift escape through the open window. The only escape from the relentless heat was to stay indoors. He sought escape in books and movies. The daring escape made headlines around the world. There was no escape from the harsh reality of the situation. The pilot made a miraculous escape from the crashing plane. She used her quick wit as an escape from awkward conversations. The company offered flexible hours as an escape from the rigid 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. routine. His music was an escape for many people during difficult times. They needed an escape route in case of emergency. The dog made an amazing escape from the animal shelter. The actor wanted an escape from the public eye. Her art provides her with an escape from the mundane. It was a lucky escape when the fire alarm went off. The escape tunnel was cleverly disguised. Everyone needs some form of escape from time to time. So, to summarize, escape is the act of getting away, breaking free, or evading something. We learned some synonyms like evasion, breakout, and flight. We also explored antonyms like capture, imprisonment, and confinement. And we saw how escape is used in various everyday situations, from planning a vacation to describing a narrow miss. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode helpful and informative. Your support means the world to me, and it helps others discover this podcast. Please consider subscribing to Hello Word and leaving a review on your favorite podcast platform. It really makes a difference. And now for your homework. I'd love for you to create your own sentence using the word escape and share it as a comment under the video. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the wonderful world of words.